Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's class, we'll be learning how to use the paper tape to cut three-piece corset. You can as well do it two-piece, but today on is three-piece corset. So if this is what you are interested in, so join me, let's cut it together. So I'm making use of my ready-made bra cup. Ready-made black bra cup. You can use your size. As you can see, this is my size. I'm making use of it, and here is the fabric I'll be using: my paper tape, my pencil, and as well my scissors and the tape rule. Okay, so this upper side is the front, while down part is the back. So I will start to like solo tape the ready-made bra vertically. As you see me doing, so it's on a vertical line, it's not horizontal. So I'll be solo tapping it all through vertically. Okay, so you continue doing so, solo tapping it vertically till the end of it. This is not something that you'll be rushing. You kind of do it gently. Do it what? Gently, guys, so for it not to be overrumpled. Okay, so be careful while solo tapping it. You do it gently. So why you are doing this, if you want to make it good, just make use of your bra cup measurement. All right, so this is my bra cup measurement. Okay, but if you want to use, like, if your size is like 36 and you're making use of 38 ready-made bra cup, while cutting it, there is no need for you to add half inches seam allowance. All right, but if it's your main bra cup, like your size 40 you're using, you are going to add half inches while you are cutting it for the same allowance. So I'm going to like step it vertically all through. You see me doing so. So after doing it, guys, the next thing for me to do is just take my scissors and like count that trim out the excesses. But before then, I will use the paper tape and begin to solo tape it again. This time around is going to be horizontally. Okay, as you can see me doing so, it's horizontally. So you are going to be making use of a large amount of paper tape on this. All right, so I will be doing it all through horizontally, all through the cup. I'll make sure that it covers the cup, right? So you can as well, when you bring out your tape, you can as well place it and use the excesses, like the remaining one, to gum it on your cutting table to avoid the cup from shifting. Like, you can see, if you watch closely, you see that my cup is no longer shifting, so I've used my tape to gum it down. All right, you can see that this our tailor work requires a lot of thinking, a lot of creativity, Okay, so after that, the next thing for me to do is to trim out all these excesses, because I'm not going to be leaving it like that for my cousin not to spoil while sewing it. All right, so after trimming it out, it will be looking like this. You see how beautiful it looks? You see how beautiful it looks? Okay, so the next thing for me to do again is to bring out my tape rule and get the half of the cup. Like when I measure the full length, I divide it by 2. Whatever it gives to me, it will be the half, and I will mark the half. I will use my pencil to mark the half, the center, like the center of the cup. Okay, and I will mark it all round. You see me doing it? I'm marking it all round for it to be equal. All right, so after marking it, I'll use my pencil to draw a line across, making sure I just like I'm dividing the corset. I am now getting to my 3-piece corset. Okay, you can see it's very simple. Like it's very simple, guys. So if you like, you can as well leave it like so and cut it out. It will be your 2-piece corset. All right, this is just the simplest way. I have done this countless times. I've used it and make dress, and I've not seen any fault on it. So you can see me marking another line out. So at the down part, this will be the tray corset. Okay, so after that, the next thing for me to do is to remove the tape. It's very easy to remove because I taped it very well, so there is nothing like while pulling it out it will be like spoiling, or it will not be smooth again. So gently pull it out, gently pull it out. So it's out right now. So I am going to be cutting it into 2. I'll first of all cut the center part and cut the down part as well. So guys, this is our 3-piece corset. You can see it's very simple. You can make use of it to sew any of your style. Okay, so the next thing for me to do again is to place it on my fabric and cut out. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. So I'm going to place it on my fabric and cut out. You can see I've arranged it, and I'm going to be adding half inches all round for same allowance, like for the stitching allowance. So I am cutting it out to get the shape of the cup. So this is what everyone can understand. So I do this tutorial for everybody to understand it easily, so there is no need for you to be afraid of how am I going to cut my corset, how am I going to be calculating, minusing the that, doing this, doing that. You can see this pattern is very simple. So that is why I always upload DIY tutorial here, which is very simple. So as you can see, if you watch closely, you see that I added half inches allowance all around the cup. So if you just cut it out, you can place it on your any fabric you are using and stitch and sew your cup. So our cup is ready, guys. It is ready. Very, very simple. So guys, if you love what you see here, our just like it, share and give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much.